Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a common problem that many users face when dealing with their devices. The problem at hand is how to effectively manage the storage space on your device, especially when it gets filled up with all sorts of files and data. This can be a real headache, making it difficult to download new apps, take photos, or even update your software. But fear not, because we got a solution for you. In order to tackle this storage-related issue, the solution lies in identifying and removing unnecessary files and data from your device. By deleting old photos, videos, apps you no longer use, and clearing out cache data, you can free up significant space on your device. Additionally, transferring files to an external storage device or cloud storage can also help lighten the load on your device's internal storage. Remember, a clutter-free device is a happy device. Now, let's talk about another aspect of the solution: optimizing your device's storage settings. By adjusting your device's settings to automatically offload unused apps, optimize photos and video storage, and enable cloud backup, you can ensure that your storage space is managed efficiently. These settings can help prevent your device from getting clogged up with unnecessary data in the future. In summary, managing your device's storage space doesn't have to be a daunting task. By decluttering, deleting, and optimizing, you can keep your device running smoothly and make the most of its storage capacity. I hope you found these tips helpful. Remember to subscribe to the channel for more tech-related content. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and leave a comment below with your own storage management tips. Until next time, happy organizing